Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you how to make your laptop aesthetic. So this is like my part 3. If you haven't watched my previous videos on how to customize your laptop, I will link it in the iCard or in the description box. And stay tuned up until the end of this video because I will show you how to make your own wallpaper organizer, which is very easy to make, and you can definitely use your creativity. And yes, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So first is I will show you how to make your taskbar transparent. So if you're a Windows user, open Microsoft Store, then search for translucent TB, and this is what the icon looks like. Then click the app and download it. So after that, click launch and this will pop on your screen. So just choose the yes option, and as you can see here, your taskbar is transparent. So you can also change your preference. So it also has other choices. You can choose the normal one, clear, or opaque taskbar. So then right click on your taskbar, hover your mouse on the toolbars option, then click links. And as you can see here, the word links appear. Then right click on your taskbar again and uncheck the lock taskbar option, and a line before it will appear. So just drag it going to the left and the icons will automatically appear to the other side as you can see here. So just drag it again until the icons are placed in the middle. So you can also make your taskbar icons smaller. So just turn on the use small taskbar buttons option, or you can leave it as it is. To hide the search bar on your taskbar, right click on your taskbar, then hover your mouse on the search option, then click the show search icon option to hide the actual search bar on your taskbar. So you can adjust again here the icons. So to remove the line before those apps, this one, so just turn on the lock the taskbar option. Here you can also adjust the settings on how your taskbar will look like when you open apps or etc. So in your show hidden icons, in which it has this upside down V icon, just click on it and you can see the translucent TB icon. If you want, you can also automatically hide your taskbar. Just turn on this option. Then after that, lock your taskbar to hide the lines before the icons. And there you go, you have a transparent taskbar. Now I will show you how to download a Rainmeter skin. So go to visualskins.com and you can see here different types of skin. So usually a skin includes a clock, date, weather, and etc. And once you choose a Rainmeter skin, just click download and then click install and wait for it to finish. So just load the skin you downloaded, but I usually use the simple clean skin. So I have a video on that, on how I downloaded it. So I will just put a link in the description box, and you can also drag it anywhere. Now I will show you how you can customize your lock screen. So go to Pinterest to search for some wallpapers. After you choose some, just save it. But again, just stay tuned up until the end because I will show you how to make your own wallpaper organizer. After you save some wallpaper, go to settings, then choose personalization and click on the lock screen option. And here you can choose a folder of photos for your lock screen. So if you pick a slideshow option, so make sure first that your chosen wallpapers are in a folder. So just move those downloaded photos into a folder, then click the add a folder option and choose the folder where your wallpapers are saved. So you can also change your fonts and you can also change your accent color. So go to the colors section, then you can pick a color from the ones that are presented, or you can make a custom one. So I'm just gonna go for this beige rose gold kind of vibe. Anyways, just base your color accent on your theme. Now I will show you how you can make your own wallpaper organizer for your laptop or your desktop. So first is go to canva.com, then search for laptop wallpaper. So I just based my wallpaper size in that template. Next, I will search for calendar 2021 in the templates tab. Then I'm gonna click this one and I just choose the calendar for the month of March. Now I'm gonna go to the elements tab and I just pick a shape which is a square with a rounded edge. I just adjust the size and put some background. I just save this from Pinterest, so credits to the owners. Next, you can copy and paste the shape. So by the way, I also adjust the transparency of the shapes. So it's up to you on how many boxes you will include to organize your laptop. So you can also add some text on it to label them. So just go to the text tab and you can pick a font combination or you can choose a simple text. So I'm just gonna choose this one and I'm gonna edit the words. So I'm gonna name those boxes for my school files, YouTube, and for miscellaneous. So you can also resize it and change the font color. So I decided to include a quote for motivation, I guess. Anyways, you can also search for some fonts. So I just use the Selima font and adjust the font color. So I just placed this vision without action is a daydream quote. So it's up to you if you want to include a quote or if you want some Bible verse. Again, it's up to you. So you can also add some more elements on your wallpaper, and I just searched for some plants and I saw this super cute and aesthetic plant icons. Why not include them on my wallpaper? So I use those icons and adjust their sizes and place it anywhere. So again, just be creative. You don't need to copy how many boxes I place and their location and on how big they are. Once again, it's up to you on how you will arrange those elements for your wallpaper organizer. So you can add some more elements, and once you're satisfied with your work, you can now download it. So after you downloaded it, just change your wallpaper. So if you hide your desktop icons before, just unhide it. So click the show desktop icons. But if your icons are already showing or it's already there, then you can just organize them and place them according to the boxes or organizers you included. So for this clock, as what I mentioned before, I have a video on how I downloaded this type of skin. So I will just link it below or place it in the iCard. And yeah, this is how my wallpaper organizer looks like. So if you also did this, so feel free to tag me in my Instagram at jesry_p. I would like to see your works. So yes, that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this one. So if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe on my channel, you can subscribe. And that is all for today's video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye, guys!